Hey guys, I'm showing you this heat gun. This is a 1800 watt max heat and heavy duty hot air gun kit. It's a variable temperature control with two temperature settings. So total temperature is 122 to 1202 degree Fahrenheit and is overload protection for four nozzles for craft, shrink tubing, wrapping, stripping and paint. So let me show you this unboxing first, and you can see this is a manual. This is the four attachments or different attachments for different work that you can do, and you can see like it's all metal. So this is the heat gun, and you can see like this gun have a rating of this 112 watt up to like 1100 watt, and there are the two setting and the knob which give you the different levels of heating. And this is a very thick high heavy duty cable with it so that it will be hot. So here I can just put it with the socket, and I can feel like the heat. So on and off with two speeds, and then the different regulators. So here on the corner you can see the different things and the settings. So it start heating up. It's a rapid heating and the rapid cooling. So I'm just trying to show like the heating effect on this poly bag, so you can seal it, and you can see that with this heat gun it just started wrapping up, and then it shrink it to make that one. So this is the manual in the corner that comes with it. So you can see the manual, all the different settings for the different work that you can use for the woodwork, for the shrinking, drying, wrapping, or all other works you want to do. But be cautious, like when you change, don't just wait for some time so that it can cool down and then change the attachments. So here are all different attachments that come with it, and the heat is flowing down. So really a nice heat gun.